What's up, YouTube? What's going on? I'll be showing you how to repair rust, minor rust on your truck, and these are the stuff you're gonna need for 'em. So I have my 80 grit sandpaper, my mixer, help me body filler, and this is my universal primer. And most of these are stuff you're gonna need. It's not really like a hard thing to do. So I'm gonna go over and show you guys like the spots I have to repair on my truck. So here's the first spot. Like, it's not really like a bad rust. So if you have like a really bad rust and you have holes, I'd probably suggest you probably could do it, but if it's your first time doing it, just make sure you know what you're doing. So there's this back side. You can see like it's not really as bad. Sandpaper to be able to sand it off, and that would be the 40 grit sandpaper. That's what I'm gonna start off with. As you can see on the side right here, might be a little bit too hard for you guys to see, but it has like, there's like rust forming underneath the paint. And that off too. Then here's the back side. See how it look? Like I said, the rust on my truck is not really anything crazy, so it's like an easy fix for me. There's another spot there. Then I got a little bit right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna try to cover up. Then I'm gonna go around on this side. This side is kind of like the same thing on that. Next one is right here. This one is actually, it's really not bad. I gotta fix it. So see, sand it off, body filler on there. Then I'm gonna get that fixed. That's it. Goes for you whenever you see this on your car. The goal is for you to try to get it fixed as soon as you can. That way it stops from spreading. So same thing on the back side. That inside, there's a little bit, but it's not really like the driver's side. So yeah, I'm gonna get that off, and you might. So yeah, let's get started. Always make sure one thing. Whenever you're sanding something, always make sure you have like a dust mask on. And yes, I do have a mask. It's not a dust mask, but it's a mask to cover up my nose. So you always want to make sure you protect yourself. You don't want to breathe this stuff in, because it won't be good. Like I said, this is my first time doing this, so let's get started.
But it's not okay, yeah. Whatever, can I walk away, oh yeah. I can still see your face, so tell me what to do, cause I can't find a way. I love you too, don't love me back. I can send this feeling inside my mind. Baby, please just tell me if I'm fine, cause I don't know why you're stuck in my heart, baby. Could be my best bud, my best bud. But it's not okay, yeah. Whatever, can I walk away, oh yeah. I guess I'll see your face.
All right, so guys, so far, this is how it looks. So I still got to get a little bit more, as you can see. It is a workout, so you gotta bear with me. And it's just me recording, so still got a lot of work left. Tell you one thing too. Tell you one thing. If you guys do have a grinder, use that shit. Your hands, if you want to get a workout, could use your hands. But that shit is a workout. let's get back to it. So now I'm about to do the inside. You can see over here. Get all that stuff out. I don't know if you guys can see. There we go. You see? Still got a lot more. So I gotta sand all of this down. When it started to look like this, once you get to the bottom, like that nice silver, then that's when you know you're done. Still got that. Gotta do that right there. Yeah. Hopefully I'm not doing too much talking. But yeah, you see that? That's not good. Definitely gotta take care of that. Definitely gotta take care of that.
But it's not okay, yeah. Whatever, can I walk away, oh yeah. I can still see your face, so tell me what to do, cause I can't find a way. I love you too, don't love me back, back.
we got. Like, this is really smooth. It's not perfect, I ain't gonna lie, but it is my first time doing it. So my goal was for me to get to the bottom of it. Well, that's what you gotta do anyway. So once you get to the bottom, then that should be it. Then you gotta clean it up. I'm gonna sand this down one more time, and then after that, go to the next step. All right, so try to hang in there, guys.